Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to remove app from the parallel space, because sometimes we clone some app and after some time we want to remove app from the clone. So in this video I will show you how you can easily do it. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly, open the parallel space. So after opening the parallel space, so here wait some second. So after this you can see I cloned some apps. So if I want to remove, so just press and hold on that app, and after this move it to delete. So you can see here it will show confirm to delete. So you can see this app is removed from the clone. So guys, in this way you can remove app from the clone very easily. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.